Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to upgrade Win 7 to Win 10 without losing data on the machine or Win's copyrights. My computer is currently running the active Windows 7 Pro version. Here's how to upgrade Windows 7 to Windows 10. First, you need to download the ISO Win 10 file to the machine, and there is also the WinRAR decompression software. If you have installed the decompression software, then no download is necessary. I'll leave it in the description of the video. Depending on how many bits you have, you can download the correct version to upgrade. To see how many bits the Windows 10 version is using, right-click on the computer and select Properties. Here's the System Type section. If you're using a 64-bit operating system, you download a 64-bit version and a 32-bit version. Then you download the 32-bit version. It's 64-bit, so I'm going to choose 64-bit. You use the right mouse button to select the ISO file. Then select Uncompress by selecting Extract to Win 10 English x64. You are waiting to uncompress the new folder. After uncompressing, a folder will appear with the same name as the pre-compress file. You can click double on the folder or choose Open. To open the folder, in this folder, there is a Setup folder. You double-click to install, and it displays a message that you chose Yes. You wait to get ready for the installation process. The Install Windows 10 window appears, and you click on the Change How Windows Setup Downloads Update, then select Not Right Now, because this way the installation will be faster. After the installation will be updated later. Then select Next, wait for the check and check, show up the Windows terms, you select Accept to continue. The machine will check if there is enough space to be ready for installation, and when the Ready to Install window appears. Here to change the settings you choose to change what to keep, if you want to keep both the app and the data. Select Keep Personal Files and Apps, and choose Keep Personal Files only. Delete the app and data, select Nothing. I'll keep the app and decide whether to keep personal files and apps. And select Next. The Ready to Install window opens again, and you choose Install. Wait for the installation and update. In the process, you have to keep the power on the computer, not turning it off will cause errors. Installation time and update time are about 30 minutes, so will spin quickly. You wait for the update to be installed when you set it up. After the installation, select your default settings and select Accept. That's the upgrade from Windows 7. Up until Win 10 is finished, the current version of the machine is Win 10 Pro. The first thing you need to do is get in the settings, select Windows Update to update Windows updates as well as drivers. Check again when you're upgraded. Copyright, the machine retains the copyright. So I've taught you how to upgrade from Windows 7 to Windows 10 without losing app data. Windows copyright cooling. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel to see many other useful videos. Hello, and see you again.